world and the way we live as human beings are constantly evolving towards new targets of efficiency. Technology is a driving force behind the new social order. And as part of the developments, an emerging cashless society is rolling out in full force. From buying goods to paying for services, everything is becoming electronic and automated, even in transportation. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, designed to operate as a centrally managed state-of-the-art public bus service, is up to the time with the technologies and is taking its customers on board.
Many of the first world countries and other countries that are far more developed than Jamaica have chosen to go this automated route.
As of June 1, 2014, the JUTC is a cashless service.
This means that no commuter will be allowed to pay cash to take any of our buses.
The new electronic fare collection system utilizes a smarter card, an upgrade on an early attempt to go cashless. The new card is easy to use. Commuters simply swipe it on the card evaluator installed in the bus and select the option for the desired fare. The amount is deducted and a ticket is printed.
The receipt will have things such as the driver's number. It will have the date of purchase. It also has the time of purchase. It also has the balance that would be on your smarter card.
All of this makes for a faster way to go about your business and less distractions for the bus operators, whose safety is also being improved with the new system.
The drivers themselves would be normally collecting the fares of the passengers, and this can amount to large volumes of money sometimes. So for safety, we recognize that this is the way to go.
And since commuters need not walk around with cash for fares, it's also a deterrent to pickpockets. JUTC is also expecting its operators to now have more time for improved customer relations without the worry of keeping track of money. Ahead of the June 1 crossover to the cashless system, the JUTC acquired and began distributing over 60,000 smarter cards to the public. Distribution outlets have been strategically located within JUTC's operating zones.
We want to ensure that every commuter, once they so desire, can easily access a smarter card.
Cards are in circulation at JUTC sales offices in the corporate area, including the JUTC Spanish Town lay-by in St. Catherine and the Halfway Tree Transport Center and East Parade office in Kingston. There is no cost for the card itself, and application is easy.
There is a form, simple form that you fill out. It has a profile that will be created for you, and that profile is what will be reflected on the card every time you use it. The areas of the profile sheet include things such as your name, your age, your occupation, and most importantly, your date of birth.
Your smarter card comes blank, and you will need to put an amount of your choice on it and top up after.
We're advising the traveling public that you put on what would be the equivalent of a round trip. So it is advisable, if you're an adult, for example, you put $200 on. That would be the equivalent of a round trip. If you're a child or any of our special groups, then you would put on a minimum of $40, which constitutes a round trip.
Children up to 11 years of age are issued with a child card, which means that they can access the concession fare 24/7. Children between the ages of 12 and 20, once in uniform and with an ID, pays the concession fare as well. Over 12 to 20 with a student card will pay the full fare on a weekend.
Top up as your pocket allows, up to a maximum of $20,000. Special groups, including children, the disabled, and the seniors, pay a concessionary rate of $20 with the Smarter card. Have you got your Smarter card yet? Get it now. And if you already have it, then start using it. Persons who wish to find out more about the Smarter card can call the JUTC head office at 749-319229 or the Smarter Card hotline.